Hi students, in this video we will discuss about Coulomb's law. So in the year 1786, Coulomb deduced that the expression for force between two stationary point charges. We know that in this lesson is all about stationary charges. But what is meant by point charge? Point charge is the dimension of charge. Consider the charge q1, the dimension of charge is very small than the distance of separation between the two charges. So these two charges are represented as point charge. Now these two charges placed in vacuum or free space. What is meant by free space? The space which is free from all matter. That space is called as free space. Now consider two point charges q1 and q2. These two charges are separated by a distance r. We know that if it is like charges, they will repel each other. If it is unlike charges, they are attract each other. So anyway, according to Coulomb, the force of attraction or repulsion between two charges is directly proportional to the product of charges q1 and q2, the product of q1 and q2, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two charges. So we get the formula F is proportional to q1 q2 by r squared. This proportionality is removed by a constant k. So the formula becomes, according to Coulomb, the force on the point charge q2 exerted by the another point charge q1. So q2 the force on the charge q2 by the charge q1. Now that is in the vector notation, the force on the charge q2 by the charge q1. We know that force is a vector quantity. Since this vector quantity, you have to denote it by this arrow mark. So F21 vector is equal to k, that proportionality constant. As I said, that proportionality is removed by a constant k. The proportionality constant k q1 q2 by r square, that we know. Now the another one term is include, that is r12 cap. What is meant by r12 cap? Since it is a vector, force is a vector quantity, it has magnitude and direction. This gives the magnitude of force. Now that cap or cat is indicated the direction of force. So that is the value r12 cap. It's a unit vector. The value of that vector is 1. It gives the direction from the charge 1 to 2. Now r12 cap is represented, the direction is from 1 to 2. Now look at this diagram. Here we have two charges, two positive charges. We know that same kind of charges repel each other. Now two charges q1 and q2, they are separated by a distance r. These two charges experience a force. So what is F21 vector? Force on a charge 2 due to 1. So the charge q1 repel the charge q2. So force direction is away from the charge. That is F21 vector. It's outward direction. The arrow mark gives the outward direction. Similarly, we can draw F12 vector. So what is meant by F12 vector? Force on a charge 1 due to 2. So it is also the outward direction. So that is our F12 vector. For this F12 vector, R21 vector is along this direction. So this is R21 cap. This is the direction of R21 cap. Clear? So in this section, we have discussed about Coulomb's law. In the following video, we will see the important aspects. Thank you.